Here we go again, Sunday morning. We're going to try this farm field again. Again, I'm here with Pascal. So we'll see if he's going to hit some more musket balls or whatever. He's dying to find more. So we'll see what happens. And we'll get back to you. Okay, I just pulled a clump out, and it's in this somewhere here, because that's where my last single from. Let's see. Huh. I passed the coil over here, and that's what it was showing me. I'm gonna have to do it again. Okay. It shows in this one. So let's break it up. Crap. Well, this is not working out so well. Nope. Oh, got a bullet. Oops. There we go. Up to the next one. Okay, got another single in this plug right here. Let's see what happens. Ah, I see it. And it's another bullet. I'll keep it to the next one. Here we go. About 8 inches down. This is what I pull out. A piece of, looks like, I think it's cast iron. Belongs off of I don't know, it's probably say wood stove. Something similar to that anyways. Maybe. So we'll see. To the next one. Okay. Still in the hole. Still haven't seen what it is. I don't know if it's that. Oh yeah. I think musket ball that was flattened. That's what it looks like. I'll keep it. Here we go. Another. Looks like I don't know. I don't know what they use it for, the way it's bent. Maybe it just got bent. Like, it looks like a little bit of copper wire. Maybe that used to clip onto something, just the way it's set up is, but it's not very strong, so I don't know. Ah, we'll keep it anyways. Okay, got a single still in the hole. Haven't checked it yet, so let's see what it could be. A bloody nail. Oh well, it won't be the last one. Okay, the single's out of the hole, and it's right here. What do I got? Oh, it's a shell casing. I have to clean it up to see what kind, but that's it. Another one. See you. Okay. Single's out of the hole, and it's on this side somewhere. I had the coil on it a while ago. gonna pass a coil on it again. Okay, finally found it. It was right there. It was underneath my whole pile of stuff. And it looks like a coin. Oh, no. The flat button, I think, yeah, and the shank is not there, it's broken. So, well, my first button for today, which is nice. Yeah, you can see the shank was snapped off. There we go. I like that one. Well, Pascal is all the way over there. He does a lot of digging, so I'm looking forward to see what he's got and finds. So we'll see shortly. Yeah, here we go again. It's still in the hole. Let's take that out of the side. Fell out. Another nail. Oh well. And life goes on. Yeah. Another button. This one's a little bit smaller and it's got some writing on it. But again, this one also has a broken shank on it. So, but I'll keep it for sure. Okay, here we go again. We got another single right down there. Again, a nail. I guess it wasn't just that nail. I got another single here somewhere. I just didn't turn on. Yeah. Ooh. What in the heck? Oh. Oh. I've been waiting for a nice coin. And I'm going to have to clean it up to see exactly what it is. But we'll get back with it. That is awesome. Here we go again. I got a single in the plug over here somewhere. I got it with the coil, so let's see about the pinpointer. It goes better when it's on. Oh, it wasn't in that. It's a bloody nail again. Nope, not that. Wait, oh yeah. Gee. I guess that was it. Oh, no, there is something in there. I don't know what kind of broken off of something. Don't know. Well, we'll clean it up later. First of all, Pascal just found himself a nice button, and I'm assuming it's military. I guess we'll have to have a look at it when he cleans it. Shank is still intact. Beautiful button. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, had to dig quite a bit for this one. I don't have a clue what it is. Probably weighs almost 10 pounds for Pete's sake. Looks like it came off some sort of a wheel with round holes, quarter-sized round holes all the way around. Would that be for sprockets or something? I don't know. But it weighs a ton. There we go. I don't know about the stem on it, but the weight and the size of it is a small cannonball. correct me if I'm wrong here, but this piece here, seems to me that I've seen in books where they had some pieces on the cannonballs also. So I may be 100% wrong, but come on, somebody chime in, let me know. It sounds great. Awesome find. You lose it?
Found it.
Just like you said. Okay, wrap up before the clean it and before we get rid of the junk. This is our hunt for today. I'm quite baffled with this piece. Big heavy metal piece with the quarter size holes all the way around. I don't know if it's from a wagon wheel or something. Who knows? Then I got the regular junk and nails, and of course a pop can or two. And then I got a bunch of bullets, casings, part of a crotal bell, and then my nice 1857 Bank of Upper Canada coin. Nice shape. And this looks like it's a ceramic or porcelain door handle. And there we go. For Pascal, he's found himself a couple of old tools. So, and yeah, drill bits and old wrenches, I guess. Bunch of heavy steel, probably machinery stuff. And 12 gauge shot. I don't know what that would come off of. That's different. Yeah. I have to check that out. And then we have the regular nails and junk. And then we come to this mystery thing. If you ask me, it might be a cannonball, a different type. It's got a tail on it though, so who knows? We'll have to check the books out, or somebody chime in, let me know. And now for that button. And beautiful button. Now for this button, it's got 2 deers on it, and I think an eagle or a bird on top. I think it's military, so we'll have to check that also. Got this piece here. It looks like something comes off a wood stove or something, like a cast iron. This I thought was a door handle, but there's nowhere to, there's a hole, but there's no metal in there, I don't think. And almost like clay inside, so I don't know what that would be. This looks like a big piece of lead. And then we got, I don't know what they use that for, but the way it's shaped, very thin. And I've got my 1857 Canada, Upper Canada token. 2 broken piece of crotal bell. A couple of bullets. Casing. And then I have maybe a musket ball that's beat up, went through something, I don't know. I got one flat button and another different button there. And that I couldn't tell you. So that's my wrap up for today. Thanks for watching.